The Brother SE600 is absolutely worth buying for anyone who wants a reliable, versatile sewing and embroidery machine. If you are curious about the latest price of this sewing and embroidery machine, you can check it out from the description below. This model strikes a great balance between ease of use and creative flexibility, making it a strong choice for beginners who want to grow and experienced users who need dependable performance. The 80 built-in embroidery designs and 103 sewing stitches give you a ton of room to experiment without feeling overwhelmed, and the machine's computerized layout keeps everything organized and accessible. One thing people appreciate immediately is the 3.2-inch touchscreen. It's bright, responsive, and allows you to preview your designs before stitching, which saves both time and fabric. The automatic needle threader and drop-in top bobbin are little conveniences that make a big difference, especially when you're working on multiple projects. The 4-inch by 4-inch embroidery area isn't huge, and that's one limitation to keep in mind if you plan on large or commercial scale work. But for home projects, gifts, monograms, and detailed accents, it performs beautifully and consistently. The included 7 sewing feet give you flexibility right out of the box, and the machine's 710 stitch per minute speed keeps things efficient without sacrificing control. The build is solid, and although it's not the lightest machine, the overall quality feels premium for the price point. Just remember that it's designed for 120-volt use in the US, so it's not intended for international voltage without proper conversion. Overall, the Brother SE600 is perfect for anyone who wants a dependable all-in-one tool for everyday sewing and creative embroidery. It's practical, enjoyable to use, and packed with features that make crafting smoother and more fun. If you want to explore more or grab one for yourself, definitely check the link in the description below.